So late last month, I had to put my dog down. His name was Gizmo. He was such a great dog. I loved him so much. And I was going through some of his old photos and his videos, and I thought that maybe it would lighten my spirits if I tried a little bit of Photoshop generative AI and see what it comes up with. So this is the first picture. He's such a cutie. So of course we like to dress him up as often as we could. He usually wasn't a fan of it, but he didn't usually have a choice in the matter. So we're zooming out. I'm gonna see if we can maybe add a window with snow falling outside since he's wearing a little Christmas bow. Oh, that's cute. And let's put a little Santa hat on him. Maybe we can put some cute little lights up. Those are not lights, but that's cute. I like that. Aw. Okay, next one up. Oh my God, the way this dog loved to get dirty. Let's expand this first. So let's add a giant dirt hole. You put a little dog toy beside him. Oh, that's so cute. He had something just like that. Maybe some toys on the inside. And then just like a giant mound of dirt on the side because he's been digging. What a cute little troublemaker. Oh, I love this photo. My sister sent this to me. Let me see if I can like add some clouds to this. Oh, baby. Oh my God, I'm gonna cry. Let's give him a little halo. That one's pretty bedazzled. I'm down for that. I feel like it's very Gizmo. And let's give him some doggy wings, some little angel wings. Oh, my little baby. I miss him so much. It did make me feel a little bit better, even though I still really miss him. Rest in peace, my little guy. Fly high.